Hi, Tracy Lewis from Stuff and Things. We are finishing up another round of doing the dots, and I wanted to show you what my Tic Tac box looks like. It is full, and then we did get the neutrals, and in here you can see some of not all of them are full. Those are neutrals. And we didn't get any other colors completely done, but we did get into the neutrals here. And then here's a really funny thing my mom just noticed. She was looking for dots to clean up, and she pulled back the stool, and here is a green dot that, because it's staticized, it is now hanging on the wall, her cabinetry. And then of course there's one on the floor. Oh, all right, so now I've got where I'm looking at the amount I have filled in the Tic Tac boxes, and my mom is looking through her containers, and then we are marking with white papers the colors that we're light of and don't have enough, so that next time in a couple of weeks or whatever, whenever we get motivated to do this again, we will know what colors we don't have a lot of. Notice here, like, I have a full jar of orange, full red, full purple, and whites, grays, and blacks I'm like 3/4 full, and then there's some that I'm very few of. Now this green, I do still have my original perler beads. This green came from, this very light blue came from, actually we have this pink. So those two colors actually came from my original perler sets that I still have somewhere. I just need to find them. So that would be nice if we could actually make more of those. And then we have a plan that we're going to play with now, and that is because this particular container is colored and this has my neutrals in it, I am going to adhere one of the beads to the top in the front of the PM and AM. And so I will come back and show you guys what that looks like. All right, my mom and I had an idea. This is a dollar store Saturday through Sunday AM PM, so it's 14 slots, which means for each box of perlers there's about 11 colors, because here you get 2 blacks and 2 whites, even though there's 14 spots. So what I did is ask my mom if she had any super glue or contact cement, and we actually used this contact cement, and I put all of my browns, because my browns don't fit in my Tic Tac boxes. So I'm not going to use this permanently, but I wanted to get it set up for you guys to see as a really inexpensive way to store your dots. And these are about 15 minutes to 20 minutes, and they're all adhered. And I think that that is going to work, because this is not clear, where the Sunday through Saturday one was clear and you can see the colors. So we're liking this idea. My mom has actually got both sides of hers set up with all sorts of colors. All right. And that is, I think, going to conclude this phase 2 of DIY Dots informational video. If you enjoyed this project, please like this video, and if you want to see more, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.